Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got another unboxing for you from Diamond Art Club. So before I get into the unboxing, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you, and please do all the YouTubey things, like, subscribe, comment. It really does help my channel out. So I just want you to know that I appreciate every one of you. So, all right. So with Diamond Art Club, on the back of their box, it always shows you the how it works and your kit contents. And this has got a blue line, which means it is a square. So what is it that I got? I got the Yorkie and Magic books. And it is a 56 by 56 centimeter, and it does have an AB. And I got this one there is an event coming up in August called Claws and Paws. And I will link the info in my description box. But it is going to be sponsored by Laura with Anxiety Art Adventures and Bree with the channel Painting with Pities. But it's all about dogs and cats. So if you have a dog or cat canvas, you can enter the event. But it's not until August the 1st, so you still have time to get a kit, and they would prefer if it was a licensed artist. So this one was on sale with Diamond Art Club, so I snatched it up. So you get in the kit, you get toolkit, your canvas, and your little sticker. So this little sticker I usually put in my logbook, but you can use these for anything. A lot of people put them on the ends of their boxes for storage so that they can look and see what they've got. I use mine in my logbook. But it is called Yorkie and Magic Books. And it is by, and I know I'm going to butcher this, Marilyn Kazanave, maybe, I don't know. Again, it is a square, and it is a 56 by 56 centimeter. All right, so this is a new toolkit, and y'all, this is the second one I have ever gotten. So in the toolkit, now they're all different, so you may not get the same as anybody else. So just be prepared for that. So you get a bag of baggies. You get the hard plastic clear tray with the spout, with the glitter. If y'all can see, it has little specks of gold glitter in it, and it comes with a stopper. So when you put your drills in, you shake it, they're not going to, fly out the end. So that's great that they have upgraded that. All right, you get a pair of Diamond Art Club tweezers. These are the sharp ones, and I have seen that they do have pink ones, so that would be cool to get a pink one. So in my kit, I got an orange sparkly pen and an orange squishy. Now everybody's is going to be different. You might or you might not get orange. You get 2 of the thin white placers, a 7-placer and a 4-placer. These are the good ones. You get a little caddy, heart-shaped caddy, that has 2 heart-shaped things of wax in it. So these are pretty cute. And y'all, if you use all of your wax, you could use this for a little trash box. You could probably put a magnet on it and use it as a cover minder, a little trash tray. Just an idea. So this is the cover minder that I got with mine. Isn't that pretty? like I said, this is only the second new toolkit I've ever received, so I'm really kind of stoked about it. So there's that. And then the washi tape, isn't that pretty? It's got a butterfly. That is really pretty. So your washi tape, your cover minder, and the color of your pins are going to be different. So that's what I got in my toolkit. All right, let's look at the canvas and the drills, y'all. Now, with Diamond Art Club, the canvas is very soft on the back. And this is a partial. And it is very, very cute, y'all. So in your kit, you get your step-by-step instructions. Is wanting to roll up on me here. Now these do self-flatten, but sometimes they just need a little bit of help. All right, so you get your thank you code. You get your contents of your kit. You get tips and tricks. You get a QR code that shows you a video, and then another one that will take you to the VIP Facebook group. You get your step-by-step instructions, and then you've got 2 more QR codes back here that takes, I don't even know what these are. So, all right, you get that. You get your big sticker, which I, too, put this in my logbook also. So, anyway, it has the name of the canvas, the name of the artist. It has the start date, end date. It has your picture for what it's going to look like when completed. It has your dimensions. And then your stickers are over here on the side. This has got 38 colors. And it has 2 ABs. An AB stands for Aurora Borealis, which is a special coating that they put on your drills to make them sparkle. So these stickers are individually cut so that you can put these on your containers. You can put them on your little baggies, however you kit up. And then you've got these here, the white part. They're just extra stickers. But we have a AB, a black AB, and a white AB. And then, like I said, it's 38 colors. So, let's look at the drills, y'all. But I thought this was a very cute canvas. This would even be good for drills and chills if you can wait that long to do it. I bought this one just for this event, but usually when I get a canvas, I don't care if it's a Halloween, Christmas, I don't care what kind of canvas it is. I'll do it when I get ready to do it. It doesn't have to necessarily be that holiday for me to do one. So, this is going to have a lot of muted colors, but look, only 1 bag of 310s. That's awesome. But like I said, this is a partial, so. And this is square, like I said. But we have browns, some reddish, more browns, taupe, and some more orange, brown, red. Okay. And then more browns. I'm sorry about the glare from my window, y'all. These are very, very pretty. Very pretty. All right, so here is the black AB, which is number 102. Isn't that gorgeous, y'all? Wow. I love black ABs. I think they are so beautiful. All right. Now here is 141, which is the white AB. There's not that many in there. So, and then 550. That's my favorite purple. All right. So there's those. So we're going to set that off to the side. and we're going to look at this canvas. Now, none of this is sticky because, like I said, it's a partial. So the only sticky is the actual picture, and it is very sticky. So none of this gets drilled. So with Diamond Art Club, you get the scalloped edges, which keeps it from fraying. Their logo is on the top, which says, "Do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club." It has the schematic on the top left and on the bottom right. It has the thumbnail on the bottom left, all your info, and then it has the Facebook and Instagram and your 10% off your next purchase, and then their guarantee. So, as you can see, it's a Yorkie, and it says Black Magic, Dark. I guess these are spell books, and then some 2 bottles. But they are this is very cute. I like it. So let's look real quick and see. Now, I can already see there's ones right here. Is that right? Yeah. Oh, duh. Okay, we're looking for the dot and the C. Okay, I'm used to having the ABs be like 1, 2, and 3. So the ABs are going to be, the black ABs are going to be right here where it says dark. And let's see, where else are the black ABs? Let's see. All right, the white ABs right there in the eyes. Well, that might be the only place that the black ABs go. But there's some white ABs in the jar. And in this jar, if y'all can see, there's some here through here. Let's see. Do I see any more? Nope. That's it. That's the only place, which there wasn't that many ABs in the bag of the white anyway. But they go right in here in these little shiny spots and in the dog's eyes. And then it looks like the only place that the black ABs go is right here in the word dark. So what do y'all think about this one? Do y'all have this one? Has anybody done this canvas? But yeah, this is the one I'm going to enter into the event in August, which I'm also going to be, if you're in it, I've also contacted Bree and Laura, and I will be sending both of them some cover minders to give away as prizes. So y'all can be looking for that. So yeah, I love it. I think it's very pretty. I'm very excited for this event to start. So what do y'all think about this canvas? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Why? So leave me a comment in the bottom down there, and I will leave all the info to everything in my description box. Now, this was on sale. I don't know if it's been discontinued or if it's just on sale, but if it's still on Diamond Art Club's website, I will put the link to this in my description. But if not, then, well, if not, then I won't. So, all right, y'all. Well, until my next video, I will see all y'all later. Bye, y'all.